So, what's new with Parallel Plus by thebible.org? Parallel Plus, the latest online parallel study Bible from thebible.org, has improved the user experience. Let's tap a verse to see what you can do. This shows you the verse menu. To do a word study, tap a word in the verse, like gospel in Romans 1:16. You can now see the passages from the verse list side by side. Select the verses you want to read. Another new feature in Parallel Plus is our cross-reference tool. In a passage, tap a cross-reference. You can now view all those references side by side in parallel. Hebrew word studies are also now available. Psalm 1:1, blessed. You can do Old Testament Hebrew word studies, as well as Brown Driver Briggs, BDB, Hebrew Lexicon. It is a new, complete, unabridged digital edition done by thebible.org, including transliterations, Strong's numbers, and Unicode Hebrew characters. And now, in our verse study feature, not only do we have Greek parsing available, but we also have Hebrew parsing. Do you have some more questions about how to use the app? Check out our YouTube channel, and we'll walk you through it. Enjoy some of these new features in Parallel Plus.